Welcome to Dab for Do. Hope you're all doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I will show you how to make garbage bags or loo roll dispenser. For that, you can use any of the packing carton box which you have, which is handy and sufficient for your bag or roll. Make a mark at the inside flap to the level of the top flap as shown in the video, and cut the box till that and push the top portion inside, and the bottom portion should be stuck to the upper half flap. The top one will be open so that we can insert. Make a mark at around 1.5 centimeters at the lower bottom of the top flap and on the sides of either sides of the box. Make holes with the help of a screwdriver and sharp. You can paint it or cover it with paper. And now I am using a jute rope which will be passed from side to the front and the other half from other side to the front of the flaps and knot them. So this will create space for us to place the bag. It will be tight when we hang it. You can place the garbage bags or loo rolls into this and hang it in a designated place or in your balconies. You can just pull it, tear it, and the next flap will be ready to pull. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Namaste.